Wouldn't it be weird if all of us? Wouldn't it be weird if all of us instead of staying back here, we thought we thought? Wouldn't it be weird if all of us thought we would be safer on the hammock? So we sat on the hammock and it started coming toward us, and we were like, "It's okay, we're safe here."
Tell me when one of them dies. I'm not watching until one of them dies.
I'm bored. We're watching to see who wins. Oh, that bird is getting feisty. Look at that. The bird is getting feisty.
No, the snake
And
is
the bird is getting
feisty.
feisty.
That snake is feisty.
Both of them are getting feisty. And I can tell that the bird is just trying to get the snake angrier so that it just gets more annoyed. No.
Wouldn't it be cool if it tried to hit the wood or
Yeah, when it tried to get one of y'all.
yeah, and it attacked me.
Seriously, don't do that. They have very sensitive ears, and when their ears go wow, it'll be bad. So far, the bird is winning.
Yeah, so far.
Well, the bird's going to win until the bird doesn't win.
You know what?
All it takes is one strike from the snake, and the bird doesn't win.
Okay, I'm coming over with your mom because I can take a closer look. Oh, shoot. That snake is poisonous. That snake is, like, really poisonous.
No,
it's a golden.
I think the snake is... I don't know.
That snake is poisonous. It's a spotted snake. Spotted snakes are poisonous.
A long time ago, my dad used to.
Ooh, it's strike.